These routine checks prevent the most common conveyor stoppages. The issue is usually operators carrying packs, unstable product flow, and machines waiting for each other. When this is ignored, the machine can look busy while the line is still losing output, product, or operator time. The cost is not only the reject pack. It is rework, cleaning, stoppages, missed orders, and operators compensating for a process that should be controlled by the machinery. The practical check is simple: show belt transfer, guide rails, accumulation, and how products move between machines. Do this before you choose the final machine specification, not after the machine has been installed. Technically, line speed, product footprint, accumulation time, and clean transfer points determine conveyor design. That is why two products that appear similar can need very different machinery setups. Typical applications include filling lines, capping lines, labeling systems, case packing, and complete packaging lines. The right solution depends on your product, pack format, output target, and the level of automation you want to reach. If you are comparing packaging machinery, send Lansing UK your product, container, closure, label, or pack format, required output, and any videos of your current process. We can help you review the right route before you spend money on the wrong machine.